There it is. Kind of dark and you can't really see it good. Tires are real good. Rims are good. It's got a couple spots. I mean, this door is kind of jacked up right here. This one's a little loose, but the one over there looks real good on the outside anyway. So this door here may not make it. I don't know just yet, but little silly shit like this ain't nothing. This fender here, it's jacked up. That's okay. I'm cutting these off. These front fenders I'm taking off altogether. This one over here, he dinged it up, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm cutting it off. Got a hard top that's just been painted, so the hard top's in good shape. I got my shit laying on it. Of course, it's oxidized real bad. No big deal. Nothing's really gone through on the cab, or well, the body. This seat's hammered. That seat looks real good, but I can repolster this. It's pretty easy to repolster these. That looks like a mess. That's that spot over there. I gotta pull the carpet. I'm taking the carpet all the way out. I don't want no carpet in here anyway. Yeah, there's the signage there for a floorboard. There you go. No carpet at all. I'm gonna do undercoating all the way around it. There's a little spot there. Nothing's real bad though. Yeah, gonna do truck bed liner on the inside and out. This is, they painted the inside of this with chalkboard paint, so the kids would sit back here and write shit on the chalkboard. Whatever. That's it.